Curious about the essential elements of SEO content? This video is your expert guide to discovering them. Hello everyone and welcome back to MAK Blogs SEO content writing course. I am your instructor from MAK Blogs and today we are diving deep into the core of SEO content creation. In lecture 7, we will explore the essential elements that every SEO content piece must include. These elements play a critical role in ensuring your content ranks high and resonate with your audience. Before we proceed further, I want to inform you that you can access the full MAG Blogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's dissect the crucial components of SEO content writing. Engaging headings. Headings are like signposts in your content. They guide your readers and search engines through your piece. Compelling and well structured headings grab attention and make your content more scannable. Content length and quality. Long form content often performs better in search results. However, length alone isn't enough. Your content must provide real value, answering questions, solving problems, and offering insights. Quality is king in SEO content. Optimized images. Images can enhance user experience and break up text, but they should also be optimized for SEO. Properly named, compressed, and all tagged images can improve your content visibility. Internal and external links. Linking within your content to other relevant pages on your website, that is internal links, and credible external resources. External links is essential. It improves navigation, user experience, and demonstrates your content authority. Maximizing SEO through keywords, LSI keywords, and URL structure. Keyword research, strategic keyword placement, and the right URL structure are crucial for SEO content. Incorporating targeted keywords in LSI, that is latent semantic indexing keywords, naturally within your content, headings, meta tags, and URLs can help search engines understand your content's relevance and improve your search engine ranking. Mobile friendliness. In today's mobile driven world, ensuring your content is mobile friendly is non negotiable. Responsive design and fast loading times on mobile devices are key factors in SEO success. User experience. A seamless user experience keep readers engaged and encourages them to explore your website further. User-friendly navigation and clear, concise content contribute to a positive user experience. Call to action, CTA. Every piece of SEO content have a clear CTA that guides users on the next step, whether it's subscribing, sharing, or making a purchase. Social sharing. Incorporate social sharing buttons to make it easy for readers to share your content, increasing its reach and potential for backlinks. Analytics and monitoring. Use tools like Google Analytics to track the performance of your content. Monitor key metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversations to refine your SEO strategy. In conclusion, SEO content thrives on engaging headings, quality content, optimized images, strategic links, and well placed keywords. These components, along with effective monitoring, are crucial for success in SEO content writing. As we move forward in this course, we will explore elements in more detail, providing you with practical tips and strategies to master them. Understanding these essential is the foundation of effective SEO content writing. To enhance your learning experience, stay updated by subscribing to our course, show your appreciation by liking the video if you found it valuable, and actively participate in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 7, where we explored the essential elements that every piece of SEO content must incorporate. Remember, mastering these elements is your key to SEO content success. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, don't hesitate to visit our website or reach out to us. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.